What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at EURUSD from a monthly time frame. So from a monthly time frame, we have this very strong support area over here for EURUSD. So it's very clear and simple that we're starting to get a nice rejection around this area. So if you have a look at previous price action around over here, we had very strong support. What we had over here is a very strong resistance again. We had support again, we had resistance, so this is a very strong area in the market. Now that we have broken to the upside and come down to retest this area again. So on the monthly time frame, what we can expect is a small push. Now a push to where is very simple. If you go down on the weekly time frame and look at price action itself on the weekly time frame, it's very clear and very simple to see that the market is now printing an M formation. So you can see there's a nice M formation that has formed. Normally after an M formation there will be a pullback to the neckline, which is previous support now turned resistance, and we'll have a further fall or further continuation to the downside. So this is what we are looking at on this pair. If you take a small box and you run a small box across here, plus if you take your Fibonacci and you put your Fibonacci from the high over here to the low over here, you'll be able to see that there is a good chance that the market will come and retest the 50% Fibonacci of the daily or weekly leg. So what we can expect from this area is the market to come up and retest this area and then start a push to the downside to keep basically to complete this M formation. This is what we want to see. So on a weekly time frame, this is exactly what we have. We've identified our strong area in the market. Why do we choose this area? Because it was previous support, which would now mean this would be resistance, and we can expect the market to push down further from here. What you also have to take in mind on a weekly perspective is that we have a small resistance area over here, which was previous support, now turned resistance. So we need to be very reactive with this pair. But what I would like to see the market do is at least come and retest this area over here. Now let's go down on the daily time frame and look at price action on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it's pretty clear, pretty simple that we have broken this nice strong area of structure over here, and this is what we want to see. We would like to see the market to come up and retest this area over here and have a further continuation to the downside. So this is what we have on this pair. If you take your Fibonacci as well on the daily leg, again you will be able to see that the market and the structure lines up very nicely with this area over here, and this is what we can expect. We are expecting the market to at least push up to this level. Once the market has reached to this level, then we will be able to be looking for a short for EURUSD with a very good risk to reward. So this is what we are looking at the moment. These are my two targets over here, so I will just get rid of this for you. So basically what we need to see is the market push up to this area. Once the market reaches in this area, with students and members, we'll be looking at a possible entry to the downside for this pair. Because we have a very good confirmation and very good confluence with this pair, that the market is in a downtrend from the monthly time frame all the way down to a 4-hour time frame. So even though we have a nice push to the upside over now, this market is still bearish at the moment. So once the market reaches to this area, make sure that you guys look at price action, watch that price action, make sure that if there is any sort of market environment change in this area, then we'll definitely be taking this trade to the downside. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did enjoy this analysis, hit the like button and also comment below. Make sure that you guys leave me some comments below, and we will see you guys in the next analysis. Thank you for your time and have a good weekend.